Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vivek's Math Class. Today in this class I am going to solve exercise 7.2 problems. So before starting this class, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, press the like button and share the link to all your friends.
Seventh question. Find the coordinates of a point A where AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is 2, minus 3 and the point B is 1, 4. To understand this problem, first we need to draw a circle. So let's solve this problem. Solution. This is the circle and this is the center of the circle O. Now we have to draw the diameter of a circle. Here this is the diameter of the circle A B. Now according to the question, the coordinates of the center is 2, minus 3. Center of the circle coordinates are 2, minus 3 and the point B is 1, 4. This is the point B and the coordinates of this point B is 1, 4. Now we have to calculate the coordinates of the point A. Here we have to use the midpoint formula to find out the coordinates of the point A. Here the center of the circle is the midpoint of the diameter. Midpoint of the diameter. So first let us write the midpoint formula. The midpoint formula is given by x, y is equal to x1 plus y, x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2. Here x, y is this is the x, y, that is the center of the circle 2, minus 3. 2, minus 3 and x1, y1 is we have to calculate the coordinates of this point A, which is represented as x1, y1 and x2, y2 is given by this is x2, y2, that is 1, 4. Now let us substitute all these values in this midpoint formula. Here x, y is nothing but 2, minus 3. 2, minus 3 is equal to the value of x1 is we don't have any value, so we have to write x1 as it is plus x2 value is 1 divided by 2, comma the value of y1 is, that is we have to calculate the y1 value, so we have to write y1 as it is plus the value of y2 is 4 divided by 2. We have now here we have to recall that if x comma y is equal to a comma b, then this x is equal to a and this y must be equal to b. Like this, we have to equate the x coordinate of this one of the LHS and the x coordinate of the RHS, that is x1 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to the x coordinate of LHS, that is 2, and the y coordinate of RHS, that is y1 plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to, must be equal to the y coordinate of the LHS, that is minus 3. Here let us do cross multiplication here. 1 into x1 plus x plus 1 is equal to 2 into 2 is 4, therefore 1 into x is x plus 1 is equal to 4, x is equal to 4. When we shift this plus 1 to the RHS, it becomes minus 1, that is the value of x is 4 minus 1 is 3. The value of x is 3. In the same way, we have to do cross multiplication in this also. That is 1 into y1 plus 4 is equal to minus 3 into 2 is minus 6. So 1 into y1 is y1 plus 1 into 4 is 4 is equal to minus 6. That is y1 is equal to minus 6. When we shift this plus 4 to the RHS, it will become minus 4. y1 is equal to, when we add minus 6 and minus 4, we get minus 10 as the answer. That is the value of x1 is 3 and the value of y1 is minus 10. These are the coordinates of the point A. It is 3 comma minus 10. 3 comma minus 10. Now we have to write the conclusion. Therefore, the coordinates of a point A is 3 comma minus 10. This is the final answer.